PBS and our member stations continue to expand the reach and relevance of public broadcasting
by creating engaging content that reaches new and diverse audiences wherever they are.
Here at Say It Loud, comedy is our middle name.
We are bold and bright, constantly exploring new directions to entertain and inform our audiences about history, science, culture, and the world around them.
We want to understand.
We share complex ideas that are accessible to everyone.
Well done, I learned something.
Being interviewed by the legendary iconic PBS.
From America's most trusted network,
we are PBS.